Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video from the Flaming Prophet YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in to today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about the best M1 Finance dividend portfolio that you can literally build right now. And I'm going to be discussing why this is a great strategy for you to follow and to implement into your M1 Finance portfolio. And I'll be showing you exactly how you can do this as well. So in case you're new to M1 Finance, this is a great application for a different scenario when it comes down to investing. It's different than Robinhood because M1 Finance allows you to invest in many different stocks all at once. So if you want to put $100 into 100 different stocks, you can do that. It's called fractional shares. So if you want to own Amazon, you don't have to spend the $2,000 for the stock. You can just put $10 for that stock or $30, whatever you would like. So this is why this is a great app. And I'm going to be discussing my dividend investing strategy. So Dividend Kings, this is a list of stocks that have been paying and increasing their dividend yield, meaning how much of a percentage they pay out to their investors in dividends. So all of these companies have been increasing that dividend yield for every single year for at least 50 years. And this is insane because this shows that these stocks are able to still pay that dividend and increase it as well every single year for more than 50 years. And we have definitely gone through about 2 to 3 recessions during this past 50 years. So all these stocks that you see right here are very solid stocks that still continue to pay dividends. And if you look at any max chart on any of these stocks, they all show a solid uptrending growing pattern. So this is why I love this type of stocks. And then other than the Dividend Kings, there's also Dividend Aristocrats. This is another type of dividend stocks that have a certain criteria that they meet. So for Dividend Aristocrats, they're similar to Dividend Kings, but Dividend Aristocrats have been paying and increasing their dividend payout ratio for about 25 years or more. So only stocks that have been continuing to pay the dividend yield and increasing it every single year for 25 years minimum are in this list. And this is great because you know that all these stocks, the Dividend Kings and the Dividend Aristocrats, they are all the best of the best dividend stocks. If you use them in your portfolio, you can definitely take compound interest in effect in your portfolios, because not only will you be getting that consistent dividend payout every single year, you'll be receiving a dividend increase from all of these stocks. And as you can see, Dividend Aristocrats, they have a lot more stocks and that criteria than Dividend Kings. Dividend Kings, there was only like 26, and Dividend Aristocrats, they're right there. So there's a lot more. AT&T is in this list. You can see all of them right there. But basically, for the M1 Finance portfolio, so my plan is to combine all the Dividend Aristocrats and all of the Dividend Kings into my portfolio. And you can literally do this in M1 Finance with $100. So and normally if you were to do this on Robinhood, you would have to spend way more than $5,000 for you to buy a share of every single one of these stocks. And that's the beauty of M1 Finance. It has its own purpose. So I'm going to be teaching you about Noble. This is an ETF, and this ETF consists of all the Dividend Aristocrats. So this is a way that you can purchase all of the Dividend Aristocrats just by owning one share, which is the Noble ETF. And you can put this in your portfolio in M1 Finance. So all you have to do is search for the Noble ETF, NOBL, and by you adding this in your portfolio, you have a direct diversification into all of the Dividend Aristocrats that I just showed you. And if you want to look at the chart of Noble, you'll see that this is a solid growing up trending pattern from the max chart, and this is exactly what you want in a stock, and especially with dividends, because not only are you making dividends consistently, you're also seeing the overall growth in the stock, which is also going to make you money this way. So you'll be making money in two ways. So this is what I'm going to do for this portfolio. I recently made this change in my portfolio to implement this, but basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the ETF of Noble, the Dividend Aristocrats, add a large percentage weight on that, and then add all the Dividend Kings that are on the list. And I also added the FANG stocks, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, not Netflix though, in this list because I also want a little bit more growth overall with this FANG stocks. But I literally have every single Dividend King in this list, plus the ETF for Noble, the Dividend Aristocrats. So if you set up this portfolio and you continue to invest, let's say $100 a month, which is very, very doable. I see no reason why anyone wouldn't be able to do this. I would even recommend doing a lot more, maybe $200 to $300 a month. If you do this consistently for, let's say, 20, 30 years, you'll be surprised by the difference this is going to make in your overall net worth. You'll basically have passive income and cash flow coming into you every single month or every single quarter just from all these dividend payouts. Not only are you still receiving the dividend payouts, but they're literally increasing every single year. This is creating a compound effect that you'll see direct results in. So I would highly recommend you to set this up in M1 Finance, and I'll be giving you a link to my portfolio here. So if you want to use this portfolio exactly the same way I have it, you can use it. Just use the link and then make your M1 Finance account in order for you to use this same portfolio. But you can also set it up to your liking as well. I know everybody has their own differences. I also added a few of my favorite dividend stocks here, just FYI. And actually this month of July, there's this referral link that you'll get $20 whenever you use it directly into your new M1 Finance portfolio. Normally it's $10 when you use the link, but for only this month they're having this promotion where you get $20. You just have to click the link for the M1 Finance referral link that I have, and it'll give you $20 extra for your M1 Finance portfolio, and it'll also give me $20 if you use it. So this is a great way for not only for you to help yourself and your investments, but you also get to help out this channel and add $20 to my portfolio. And also for Robinhood, you can use that link for a free stock. I also have a referral link for Mercari. This is my favorite selling platform. You'll be able to get $10 off if you use that link for any purchase you would like to make on Mercari. So those are great ways for you to make money through your investments or directly, and for you to help out this YouTube channel. So let me know what you all thought of this video. Do you like this investing strategy where you use the very best of the best dividend stocks in order to increase your dividend growth every single year and still be confident that you'll be receiving that dividend payment every single quarter, because these are consistent dividend stocks? Let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe, like this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.